let's let this be our f at x. Okay, so 0 to x, 1 minus tangent of 2t to the power of 1 over t. Okay, dt. And note that if I try to find f at 0, because we're going from 0 to 0, it's going to be 0. With that, okay, I can replace this entire thing with f at x. So we have this. Of course, I'm allowed to just, subtract any number by 0 with no consequence. But in this case, I can replace that with f at 0. Okay, so we get f at x minus f at 0 over, and once again, I can just write x minus 0. So what does this look like? This is the derivative. This is f prime at 0. Okay, so let's go back to this. F prime at x then, using ftc, is going to be 1 minus tangent of 2x to the power of 1 over x. So if you try to plug in 0 in here, we get 0 to the power of infinity, which is an indeterminate form. So let's consider the limit of this as x approaches to 0. Okay. And what we want to do is to let this be y. Okay, we did this in L'Hopital's rule. Okay, let's log both sides, or ln both sides. Ln of y. If you ln this, you can bring that power down in front of the ln. Okay. And let's find the limit of this. Okay, so let's find the limit of that. Okay, so the top is going to be approaching ln of approaching 0. It's ln of 1, which is 0. The bottom is 0. So we can use L'Hopital's rule to differentiate top and bottom separately to get 1 at the bottom. On the top, it's going to be 1 over 1 minus tangent of 2x, chained by the derivative of that, which is minus secant squared 2x times by 2. So I'm just going to put the 2 here. Okay, so we have minus 2 secant squared 2x all over 1 minus tangent of 2x. At this point, this is the reciprocal of cosine, so as x approaches 0, we get 0, and we get 1 minus 0. So the whole thing is approaching minus 2. Okay, going back up here, right? This means ln of y is approaching negative 2, which means y is going to approach e to the power of negative 2. So this limit here is going to be e to the power of negative 2. In other words, so this limit was equivalent to f prime at 0. So therefore, we can say f prime at 0 is 1 over e squared.